Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and we are pretty deep into the winter season now where I live, but when I want to try to access a warmer weather state of mind, this Sol de Janeiro perfume mist is just the thing to help me do that. This stuff smells absolutely delicious. My favorite deodorant that I've been using for a long time is the same scent as this perfume mist, and I really wanted to have some more of that scent in my life. This is the number 62 scent, which is pistachio and salted caramel. It's a scent that I would describe to be more on the sweet side. It really reminds me of any kind of sweet treat or baked good that I love to enjoy. It's not an overpowering smell at all, so I feel like I can spritz it around in my hair and all over my body pretty liberally. It is quite a generously sized bottle with a lot of product in it, so I would expect this to last a really long time. I absolutely love how light and summery and fun this mist makes me smell. I can completely delude myself now and pretend that I am on a sandy, warm Brazilian beach instead of in the middle of a freezing cold Canadian winter, thanks to this perfume mist. That's just my point of view.